In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Gmail account. This process is really straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to be on the main dashboard of your Gmail account. You can get there by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in mail.google.com, or by opening the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once you're on that main page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This icon typically shows your profile picture if you have one set, or just your initial if you don't. It's your personalized marker in the vast digital space. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. Immediately, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu offers several options related to your Google account. It's like a hub for quick access to manage your profile. Among these options, you'll spot the Sign Out button. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list, making it easy for you to find anytime you need to log out. Simply click on Sign Out, and just like that, you've effectively ensured that your Gmail account is signed out. This is particularly important if you're using a shared or public computer. Logging out helps protect your personal information and keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. Always remember that it's better to take a moment to sign out than to leave your account open to potential security risks. For those who are using Gmail on a mobile device, the process might look a bit different. If you're using the Gmail app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the app interface. Following that, you'll see a screen detailing your account information. Here, among the options, look out for Manage Accounts on this device. Tap on it, and then you'll see the accounts listed that are linked to your device. From this screen, tap on the Google account you wish to sign out of, and then select the option to remove account. This action doesn't delete your account. It simply logs you out from the app on that device. If you ever want to sign back in, you can do so by entering your Gmail credentials once again. In today's digital age, taking simple steps such as logging out securely ensures that your personal information stays protected. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips on managing your digital life. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.